Anywho, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know what it is. It's your girl Fab Glam, aka Shay Shay, aka Dishay. And today I got a whole different style video for y'all. Y'all know 2020 is gone. Hallelujah. Ain't nobody mad about that. And if you are, girl, click off for her. But anyway, so today's video, I want to kind of talk to y'all about money, girl. Let's get this money in 21. So ain't no reason for nobody to be broke in 2021, and I'm gonna tell y'all 5 ways that you can make money in your sleep or make money outside of your 9 to 5. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be using my little notebook. I do recommend that everybody have some kind of journal, notebook, planner, notepad, whatever you can find so that you can write down your ideas and your goals. A lot of people do vision boards. I have not made a vision board for 2021, but I will be doing that. I'm not gonna do a vision board party or go to any vision board. Now I might go to a vision board party, but I might just put a little stuff on there because I'm gonna keep my vision board private. I'm gonna use it as something for me for targeted goals. And then y'all, the first thing I want to tell y'all is we gonna get rid of the word want. We're gonna replace it with will. So instead of saying I want this, we're gonna say I will have this or I will do this. Make sense? Okay, it makes sense. Is sell your skill. Boo. God or whatever you believe in, we were blessed with a talent or a skill, and I believe that's what we were given to make sure that we are able to be fruitful and provide for ourselves. So the first thing I have is sell your skill. So let's just say, for instance, these braids. I paid my little sister to braid my hair. She made money. I got my hair braided. Her skill is braiding hair. Now, she ain't responsible for these little country edges, honey. I tried to, girl, we ain't even about to talk about that. But anyway, she braids hair. I went, got my hair braided. I paid her. She made money. She sold her skill. So she's able to do hair. It's a win-win for the both of us. Another skill is nails. Y'all know. I do my own nails. I have videos posted on this channel about nails, how to do your nails, etc. If you know how to do nails, take some pictures of the work you did, post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram, find the trendy hashtags, hashtag your pictures and videos, sell your skill. I do get a lot of DMs because I have a business, so I do get a lot of DMs where people are asking, do I want a new logo? They DM me saying that they promote businesses on their channel, so they're selling their skill. Sell your skill. If it's making cupcakes, I have a cousin that does like baked goods. She sells those. I have a sister that makes candles. She sells those. Sell your skill. You can't go wrong with it. Like, it could be anything. If you're a hustler, sell your stuff, girl. Whatever it is that you can do that you know you're good at, sell your skill. If it's doing lashes, makeup, brows, anything that you feel that you are good at. Some people are really good at organizing. Some people are good at coaching. I have a friend that's like really good at giving advice. Sell your skill. Whatever it is people are looking for, find your niche and sell it, boom, period. The next thing on my list is Poshmark. Now, if you a girl like me or a guy, whatever, and you do a whole lot of shopping, and sometimes you be like, girl, what about this? Oh, I ain't gonna wear that. Or you don't, you donated already, you have some really good quality pieces or some really good pieces. Some may still have tags on it. Like me, I'm a girl, I find a lot of stuff in my closet that still has tags. Make you a Poshmark. I don't have a Poshmark, but I'm going to be making one soon because me and my honey, we go through clothes and rotate things so much that we always have stuff to either give away or get rid of. So instead of giving away or just throwing it away, I'm going to start a Poshmark. You can sell a lot of different things on Poshmark. Sell your clothes. Sell the things that you no longer use anymore. Facebook Marketplace, And none of this is sponsored by none of them people, girl. But you can also sell your used items. So, or unused or gently used items on Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, yada yada, etc. All right, so that was number 2. The third thing is YouTube. Boo. Now, with YouTube, you do have to have a certain amount of subscribers and you do have to become monetized after a certain amount of watch hours. But if you're a girl that's always on a go, or you like to cook, or you, like me, you just want to sit in front of the camera and talk to somebody because you ain't got nothing else to do, you can record yourself and edit and put yourself on YouTube. You don't have to have a lot of money to start a YouTube channel. I like to use my iPhone, which I'm recording on now. I do have a camera that I use. I actually have like a camcorder that I use, and then I have a actual camera that I use. But the camera, the Fujifilm camera that I use, I don't really know how to work it that well. So it's easier for me to pull out my iPhone and go ahead and record a video, edit your video on iMovie, and then upload it to YouTube. And then I always like to watch myself on YouTube anyway. So it's a win-win for me. And if you like to watch YouTube videos, let's just say you like to watch mukbangs and you like to eat a lot, make your mukbang channel. If you are into ASMR, if you are into makeup, hair, nails, vlogging, whatever that you like to watch on YouTube, and that is also something that you like to do in your day-to-day life, record it, put it on YouTube, make a buck in your sleep, boo. And that's on period. All right, so that was number 3. Number 4 is something that I've recently got into, and it's something that you may not want to do right away if you don't have disposable cash or if you're not comfortable with losing money, and that is stock trading, getting into the stock market. There's a lot of good YouTubers that talk about stocks and trading. I'm not going to talk about that because it's not my forte, but it is something that I have seen lucrative income in. I've been really impressed and really satisfied with what I have gained. Now, I have lost money as well. So like I said, it's kind of like a gamble, but the stock market, you can really make some bucks, boo. Like, you can make some good money if you know what you're doing. So I'll link the people below that I like to watch, and they kind of keeps me encouraged and keeps me up to date on the stock market, what to buy into, what to look into. And if y'all gonna get into the stock market, make sure y'all do y'all research. I know it's one that you really don't have to do much with is Acorns, where they will take they like round up. I don't use Acorns anymore. I used to back in the day, but they round up your change and invest it for you. That's one way. A lot of people use Robinhood because it's really, really simple to read and easy to get into the swing of. Me personally, I like to use Webull. Again, I am not sponsored, but I will have the link below where you can, so I'll link that below. Oh girl, let me get this oil off my nose. Ooh. Now she cute again. But anyway, so the stock market, investing in the stock market is a really good way, and you don't have to have much money. I like to start anytime that I go into stocks. I like to do anywhere from $100 to $500. I'm not like a high roller or anything like that, but once I start to see the gains in my money, I just reinvest it because that's what I like to do. And let me tell y'all something. When y'all be seeing these people on Instagram and these people on Facebook count cash, cash has no value. You cannot earn or gain money. You cannot gain on cash that's in your pocket. It just don't work that way. You want to invest your cash in something or have it in a savings account, an IRA, Roth. You want to have it somewhere. And I ain't no financial advisor, but I do have a financial education, but I am not a financial advisor by any means. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know how I make money. Period. Of course, you got the regular 9 to 5. You can get a job, but don't nobody want to work no job. I don't want to work a job. I cannot stand working, although I do still work from home, but ain't something that I want to do. I do all these other things as well because I like to shop. I like to live very, very comfortably, and I can say, as of today's date, I ain't worried about nothing. That ain't no brag. That's an accomplishment for me. I ain't worried about nothing. Ooh, I don't stress about a bill. I can buy what I want. I ain't worried about nothing, but I also do not spend unnecessary money. Think about that. Get rid of these subscription services that y'all have cable. Baby, that's a game. And don't have Spectrum. They ripping you off. Get rid of cable, cancel all these subscription services, Netflix, Hulu, and you don't need all this stuff. If you got the internet, girl, you got access to anything. But anywho, that ain't on my list. Okay, so number 4 was stocks. Now the very last one is something that I do. I'll talk about my business another time because I do have a business. It's drop shipping. I'm not going to get into drop shipping. I want y'all to do your research. There's plenty of videos on YouTube to educate you and kind of encourage you and tell you how to drop ship and what to do. Drop shipping is selling a product to somebody else. You kind of like just the middleman taking your cut. That's just putting it simply. So drop shipping. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and talk about ways to make money in your sleep, ways to have passive income. You can be making up to $5,000 extra a month. Baby, make that money. Don't let it make you. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys take some of my tips and really try to build your pockets this year, because y'all, as y'all saw it last year, it was a mess. Baby, people ain't had no food. People couldn't pay their rent. And you don't want to be one of them people. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl channel. Peace.